So today we got together all the EIT Health Portuguese Community in Porto Innovation Hub. So we got 10 startups, some of our partners, we got alumni, and we spent the day discussing what do the startups need in order to scale up. So we had guests from known companies like Fraunhofer that came here to share their experience and their know-how in scaling up companies, to share this knowledge with our startups, with our partners. And it was amazing because we had a full day of open discussions where everyone was able to establish relationships, so startups, partners, community.
I'm here to present you the Alumni Network. So we are a community that aims to bring together all the entrepreneurs and qualified people in a strong community to reshape and innovate the healthcare across Europe. If you have a strong idea but you cannot address and find the right people to join your team, or if you need the right contact with the right investor and you cannot find it, we can facilitate that process for you. We are essentially created by alumni for alumni. So if you have a right idea and you need to address the needs of your local people and you want to create the event for them, we can help you with that as well, and we can be a part of that process.
The EIT Health Alumni is the biggest European network of health innovators. It's an amazing network of startups, doctors, investors that are spread around Europe, and they are focused to build the future of health. Being part of this alumni network is a unique opportunity to actually tap on different countries, on people from different cultures, a lot of opportunities to connect these partners, these networks, these countries that allow us to create a unique network in Europe.
It's very important to me to belong to this kind of network because it's a wonderful opportunity to get to know different stakeholders in the health area and to be available to discuss new ideas, to discuss new strategies to go to the market. It has been a surprise, it has been marvelous for me and for my project.
This event is very important in order to establish a collaboration between us and to improve innovation and in partnership here in Portugal. It has been a very strong event because we are able to share ideas, experiences that could be helpful for everybody.
We are a spin-off startup from Faculty of Sciences of University of Lisbon, and we are part of the alumni network of EIT Health, which has brought us many opportunities, namely for partnerships and collaborations.
We are now in Porto for the event, joining people from several communities, different perspectives on the field, and it is really helpful to share our insights, our difficulties, to learn with all our mistakes and improve our process from now on.
My name is RICARDO. I'm CEO of WISIFY, and we won this year a grant from EIT Health Head Start. This grant gives us the opportunity to create the final product to go to market, and now with the network of EIT we are willing to put the product into the European market also.
It was a very fruitful day where everyone really enjoyed the conversations, and the feedback we have been having is that this kind of events is really useful and helpful to create connections among the community and to develop new collaborations for the future.
I hope to meet you someday, and I hope you can join our network and help us to innovate and reshape the healthcare across Europe.
That brings bright people from different fields that we can share knowledge, share ideas, and join together to build the future of healthcare.